Today, I'll show you how to add an eye-catching fireworks transition to your videos, creating a stunning and dynamic scene change. Let's get started. First, import two video clips into the timeline. Now, head over to the Transitions tab and search for fireworks. You'll see multiple variations of this effect. Pick the one that best fits your style. In this case, I'm using Fireworks Night Transition 8. Next, drag and drop the transition between your two clips. Instantly, you'll see the transition light up with a burst of fireworks, making the scene change look more festive and engaging. To make sure the transition blends smoothly, set it to overlap mode. This helps create a seamless effect where the fireworks naturally integrate between the two clips. If needed, enable include trimmed frames for a more polished look. You can also adjust the duration by dragging the edges of the transition on the timeline, making it shorter for a quick burst or longer for a more dramatic effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a fireworks transition in Filmora. This effect works great for festive edits, celebrations, and eye-catching video transitions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora editing tips.